It looks like one of Apple's suppliers is on track to helping us get notchless iPhones eventually. Some new iPad mini leaks have emerged, confirming some rumors and debunking others. And if you still want a Mate 20 Pro, hold on, because Huawei is launching some more color options. I'm Jaime Rivera, reporting from Showstoppers at CES. I apologize for the microphone. This is all Jules' fault. Let's get through the news. This is Pocketnow Daily. The official news today are on the channel and on Instagram. As most of our coverage from CES 2019 is there, I'm trying to make the daily more about everything else we didn't cover. Like, for example, Xiaomi. There are rumors that the company is working on its new pair of AirPods, or a competitor. They look a lot like AirPods in the design. They have some minor enhancements that actually, in my opinion, make them better. But even better, if I should say that again, $65 is apparently the price tag. We'll see if it happens. Now, how about if we talk about the Samsung Galaxy S9, as we've got some new benchmarks, and they are hot, particularly because, well, it's called the Galaxy S10 Lite, one of them, but the benchmarks say Snapdragon 855, 6 gigs of RAM, 128 gigs of storage, 3100 milliamp hour battery. That is not light at all. Let's see if it happens. Now let's talk about Huawei. Set your calendars. Apparently the company is working on 2 new color options for the Mate 20 Pro. Those of you that are in the market to buy one, I would highly suggest you wait it out a little, because apparently we've got Fragrant Red, which I like, and then Comet Blue coming up. Now the price tag is apparently going to go up a little bit by like $150, but that's just rumors. We'll keep you posted on that one as well. And for those of you in the market for buying iPads, I have told you don't buy yet, and that's because we're waiting for a new iPad mini. We've got some leaks of the shell of the back. It seems that the design mimics a lot of the iPad Air 2 or the entry-level iPad. It seems that there is a cutout antenna for LTE, which is great. Now, the time frame is what we don't have. We will also look into that as well. And finally, the hottest news today have to do with iPhones and a company called AMS, which is an Apple supplier that apparently figured out a way to reduce the size of the notch. And what the company is doing is actually adding some of the sensors to the back of the glass. It seems that they've figured out some algorithms in order to allow them to put, for example, the RGB sensor behind the glass in addition to the IR sensor, which is great. But in today's question, let us know. I mean, what do you prefer? Do you prefer a smaller notch, which we've already seen from other companies like OnePlus? Or do you prefer Apple to figure out some other solution? Because in my case, honestly, whatever the company does to remove the notch will be great for me, but leave us a comment down below. We'd love to know your opinion. Friends, again, if you want to get the news earlier, follow us on Pocketnow.com and subscribe to both our channels, English and Spanish, for more videos like this one. And follow me on Twitter, Jaime_Rivera, on Instagram at Jaime Rivera. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like what you saw. I'm Jaime Rivera. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you on the next one.